Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm recording this video to tell you about the solution that worked for me for the problem that I had. So the problem was installing the Microsoft SQL Server on my Windows 11 laptop. It wasn't only for 2019, but also for the previous versions. I have tried to install the previous versions as well, and it didn't work. So I used to get this error message while installing, and after I'm done, I used to get this. It was actually only this one, which was failed. So database engine services failed. Uh, so here is the solution. I'll try to keep this short. I mean, it is short. So the solution and the problem actually happens because of that the Windows 11 has some problems. So I'm waiting for Microsoft to release an update or something that solves this problem. But until they do so, here's the solution. uh, you can do either one of two things. The first one is to install the like everything that's related to the Microsoft SQL server uh, on your device on a second hard disk. So if you have two hard disks, you can uh, install the programs and the engine, the everything. Install that on the second one, not the one that you have your Windows installed on. And please remember, this doesn't work for partitions. So if you have two partitions, you cannot just install it on the second partition. This will not work. I mean, it didn't work for me, but I don't know, like it didn't work for me. So, anyways, uh, if you have two hard disks, then you're like you don't need to do anything. That's it. Just install the thing on the second hard disk, and you'll be fine. But what if you don't have another hard disk? You only have one hard disk on your device, uh, and you also need to like install this thing. So I will show you what I did. It was using something called virtual hard disk. So it's a little bit different than partitions. Let me show you. So you go to disk management. It's right here. So here are the normal partitions that I have, C and D. And here's my virtual hard disk. I'll let you know how to do it. So they are not the same. Okay. How to make one on your device? So the same place here, disk management. You go to actions, create VHD. VHD stands for virtual hard disk. You give it a location. You can put it in C, D, anyways. This will not be a problem. Give it any name. Oops, I'll call it anything. Like I called my actual one PhD, but this is just to show you guys. And the virtual hard disk size. So the minimum thing is 809. Sorry, 8,999. So that's what you need to have like as a free minimum space on your hard disk in order to install the Microsoft SQL Server services on it. That's not what you actually need. You need much less, but you need to have that free space on your hard disk in order to install it. So I'll just put 9 gigabytes, which should be enough, more than enough. Keep everything as it is. Okay, and here we go. It's still one, but loading. Second one appeared. It's still not activated. So if we go here are my three like partitions or like hard disks, whatever. So here's C, D, and this is my virtual hard disk. Uh, like this is the old one. This is not the new that we just made. So the new we'll make it appear right now. You go here, and like, right click on this, initialize disk. You choose this one. Okay, and then you allocate the memory for that. You go here, right click, use simple volume, next. You don't really need to change anything here, and you should be ready to go. Here's it. Here's our new virtual hard disk. What you should do right now is to install your Microsoft SQL Server services, everything, like everything that's related to that, install it right here. And you should be good to go. This thing will solve the problem for you, or at least it did for me, and I hope it does for you. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps someone, and bye bye.